So are you still fall decorating? Are you still looking for that perfect sign? Because honestly, y'all, I'm still looking for that perfect sign. But anyways, this is gonna be the DIY for you, so keep on watching. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. Alright, so in this video today, I am going to be showing you guys how to make this super cute pumpkin patch sign. Literally, I'm obsessed with how this turned out because number one, when I was doing this whole thing, I was just gonna give up on it, but then I literally had to step back and give myself a moment, a couple of days, and regroup, and now I'm just loving how this sign turned out. There's so many different ways that you can do this sign, so many different colors. It's super easy and it's a quick little DIY to do. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so to start this project off, I'm just going to use a piece of wood that I used in a previous DIY that I have left over, and I am going to be marking them off to the size that I need and cutting them on my miter saw. Okay, so now I'm going to take my wood glue and I'm going to add all 4 of these pieces together. So I believe this wood was like a 2x4 by 8. So if you get an 8-foot piece, you'll only need 1 piece, and these cost, I think they're like $1 and some change at Lowe's, and you can grab 1 and you'll be good to go. But anyways, using my finger to add my wood glue, and I am going to glue these together, and I'm going to use my clamps here to clamp them nice and tight, and I'm going to let it dry. So if you have some of your glue seeping through, all you have to do is just take like a cloth or something and wipe that off. All right, so now I'm gonna start to work on my pumpkins. So of course I got these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and all I'm gonna do now is remove their stems, and then I'm going to cut them in half. So the orange pumpkin was very easy to cut in half because it is hollow in the inside, but the other two, they are full styrofoam. So I totally should have got my cutting board to do this, but oh well. But I'm just going to slice all of these in half, and if you have a good knife, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to slice these babies through real easily. So after I've gotten my pumpkins cut, I'm gonna start to paint them. So my first pumpkin, I'm gonna be using this paint, which I love, the color green. It's Revere, and I am going to add that to my orange pumpkin. And then for my other 2 pumpkins, I'm gonna be using the color sheepskin, and also I believe the color is gray taupe for the other pumpkin. So now I'm gonna start to work on the letters. So I got these, it already says pumpkin patch. It was from the Target dollar spot, and they were $3. So when I saw them, I was like, yeah. So the other letters, I got them from Michael's. I put pick your own at the top, hay rides and mazes at the bottom. I think these letters were like $1.99 or $2.99, but you can always use a coupon, and they were just perfect for this. If you want your sign to say more than this, you can totally do that, but you just need to get 2 packs. Okay, so then I started to paint these letters. So when I painted them, I first painted them like this brownish color, and they just blended in too much with the wood. So I decided to take that same sheepskin color and paint them that color instead. All right, so now these stickers, of course, they already have adhesive on them, so all you have to do is peel them off, and I'm gonna have a little curve to the word pumpkin, and then I'm gonna put patch right underneath. Okay, so now I have pumpkin patch where I want it, and now I'm going to start to work on my other letters. So I just have pick your own at the top, and then I have hay rides and mazes at the bottom. So if you want it to say more things, I would recommend getting 2 packs, but I just got the 1 pack, and I was able to say pick your own, hay rides, and mazes. So to attach these letters, I am going to be using my glue gun. You can use your glue gun, or you can use E6000. So literally this angle is not the best, but now I'm just going to attach my pumpkins using my glue gun. All right, so now I'm gonna start to work on the stems. So I'm gonna take the burlap ribbon that you can get from the dollar store, and I'm literally just twisting it into a stem shape, and then I'm gonna cut off the end, and I am going to glue that to the top of the pumpkins. One thing I'm gonna mention though that I did do was I took another piece of that ribbon and I took the wired part and I wrapped it around so that you wouldn't see like the fringes on the ends of the ribbon, and then I added it to the pumpkins that way. But this is the last step, and then you're all finished. And if you want to hang this sign up, the last thing that you're going to want to do, of course, is to add a sawtooth hanger. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!